Welcome everyone to my CryptoCoiners video channel where I talk about new dApps and DeFi projects. Today I have a brand new miner for you called BUSD Paycheck, paying out 12.7% every week. This is the world's first auto miner, meaning that you don't have to worry about clicking the compound button every single day to guarantee your rewards. If you love making passive crypto income, please subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell to get an alert when I post a new video. This miner is created by an experienced DeFi team, and is inspired by the 6-to-1 strategy where you compound your daily rewards once a day for 6 days and collect your rewards on the 7th day. On the 7th day, you can collect your pending rewards which equal 12.7% return of your total deposits. This auto miner will save you time and gas fees and earn you the maximum weekly rewards every week. The minimum deposit is 10 BUSD and the max deposit is 10,000. I put in 100 BUSD to see how it goes, and if this thing lasts, I will add in more money. The contract has a 7% base tax if you deposit or claim, but there's no tax if you compound. There is a maximum ROI of 365 of your total deposit up to 36,500 BUSD to prevent whales who get in with a lot of money and then dump their tokens on everybody else. The reward payouts are once every 7 days, hence the name Paycheck. There's a 7-day timer that starts on each deposit, compound or claim. It's important to remember that you can only take an action when the 7-day timer is inactive. If you make your first initial deposit, that timer will start the countdown right away. I like this option very much. It saves me from checking the website every day, just like with other miners. After 7 days, you can decide whether or not you want to compound or withdraw your rewards or maybe deposit more BUSD. If you make a new deposit, it will auto-compound. Once the new action is triggered, the timer will restart. This prevents anyone from saving rewards for several weeks and withdrawing a large lump sum. It is recommended to make a new deposit at least once every 2 months of an equal or higher value than your largest deposit for the best sustainable results. You cannot unstake your initial deposit, only withdraw your earnings. If you use your referral link to send people to the contract, you can get a 5% commission over one level. The minimum deposit to get your referral link is 10 BUSD. Your referral link will show up here. Just copy the link and spread it around to your friends, family members or subscribers to get your tax-free commission. The smart contract is audited by Ethos and verified to ensure its authenticity. They have a Telegram channel where you can post your questions, and discover strategies and ideas for future projects. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only show you what I do. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only and I can't predict the future, so don't blame me when things don't work out. Always do your own research and never invest money that you can't afford to lose in crypto. I will leave my referral link below. If you use my link I will make a small commission, but the money will not come from your wallet. It is paid from the contract balance, so it won't cost you anything. Whatever you choose, your support is always much appreciated. If you need more help, or have questions, please post a question in my Telegram or Discord group, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching all the way. If you like my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.